milks, chocolate, what's that one? Iced coffee. These are also accidentally vegan. Ripple, choc ripple.
So this garlic bread is also vegan, and this is what they probably use at most pizza places.
Like Domino's and Pizza Hut.
It's really cheap to make.
Domino's, Pizza Hut and... Wait, Domino's Australia and Pizza Hut Australia do vegan garlic bread.
Yeah.
That is Woolworths.
Coles brand.
Home brand.
But not the baguette, the one that says baguette for Coles, just the
original.
One that's like in the white and black is vegan. The other one has milk solids.
This is for my Australian viewers.
Okay.
So I've also got 2 trays of roast potatoes in the oven. Chucked garlic bread in there. That looks so fucking good. Just dicing up some onion, brown onion. It's probably a better way to do this. Oops. Just had one go flying. Do it. Do it, do it, do it now. Do you want to use oil?
I already had oil today, so.
Alright. You're oiled up?
Yeah.
You've oiled the fuck up today?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna fry some onions. Do you want garlic?
It's alright.
Alright. Fry some onions in some water because we're keeping it low in the fats. Got the onions simmering by the girl. And this is what we're using instead of cow flesh. We've got the savoury veggie mince. Vegan friendly, it's what we like. Good source of protein, that's what we like. Good source of fibre, that's what we like. Iron, zinc, B12. What can't vegans get? Tell me again.
Protein.
Gluten free, even the gluten free celiac people out there. Perfect, no excuses. Let's go. This is how you feed your family under $10. Oh, looks pretty chapped, but it looks very like real. We'll like crumble it and shit. It crumbles up now. It smells like really tasty, like salty. Voila. You can even make like meat patties out of it, put it like in the burger or something, in the bread. Alright, so at this point what we're going to do is we're just going to add some passata. Yuck!
I want passata. Oh right, I thought it was spicy stuff.
Really? She likes men?
I thought you meant sriracha.
Oh!
I thought you meant sriracha.
Oh, it's pretty runny. Thanks, babes. Oh, that's crispy as. Yes, please. Oh, it's hot. Woo! Yeah. Alright, it's kind of boiling, but we're a bit impatient, so just chop it in.
How much so be more synthetic? I mean,
synthetic.
Aesthetic.
Wait. Okay, yeah. So also just adding some tomato paste, just to enrich it with tomatoes. Thank you. After the beef is going in. Well, let's kind of like roll that in. Hi, mommy. I think it needs more passata. That was my hands. Oh my god, it actually just realised how you are.
I can sit here all day.
Sorry.